is very simple program for tracing bitmap images and converting them to G-code, straight to G-code, but you may choose to convert it to DXF and do more modification or whatever you want, or go straight to G-code and cut. It's very simple comparing to using Inkscape or SheetCam or any other program. You can learn this by watching couple videos in half an hour and be advanced user. You can download that program on this web site, and it's less than 30 megabytes, but most of it is pictures. BMP I find free on internet as an example of tracing. Real program is less than 5 megabytes. It's easy to install. You just create a folder on your computer and unzip. After you unzip, you will get 2 exes in that folder, and one is named trace.exe, that is main program. The other is for converting other image formats to BMP. And then this program don't use any DLL. Also, it is, if you don't like it, it's easy to uninstall. Just delete that folder, and I didn't touch your registry, nothing. It's very, very simple. Sometimes I am downloading some files, some programs on internet to try, then I install, when I don't like it, I want to remove, and sometimes I have problem and it mess with my registry. This program is not like that. So this program is free, and it will be free for forever. In the future I may decide to make more advanced, and that's a different story, but this version will always be free. On the other side, I want to say, if you like it and it's free, you should put comments on internet, on YouTube, tell your friends, and so on, yeah, whatever. So here is a program. Click trace. Now I will first always you choose bitmap. I will choose, let's say, this bitmap. Then when I choose that bitmap, next step number 2 is convert to vector. Wait a little bit, then move to origin. Origin is 0, 0. This is huge picture of and it has 20,000 points, 394 polygons. I can preview it here, and you can see it's Frank Zappa, you know. So next step is to clean by area. It cleaned very small polygons, and now it's reduced to 84%. I click clean again. I will just uncheck points so I can see better. Now it's 76%. Then I will click again. I will reduce it more. I'm not losing any quality. I mean, that's why I'm doing it. It's better for plasma machines to cut with less points, and G-code file will be smaller. Now I reduce it to 16 polygons, and it's half size, initial size. Now I have 15,000 points. I'll click more, and I guess I can click more and more, but now I lose some, so I have to do undo. This is the best. That's cleaning by area. Now I clean by some algorithm I implement, so you are not losing quality, but you still uh, uh, you are downsizing your files. So I click clean. In this case, I can click to see points. Then I click clean, clean, clean. You see now it's reduced to 8%, and now it has it have a little more than 2,000 points. I'll go more, 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 and now it reduced to 5%. So I have just a little more than 1,000 points. I'll go more, more, more. It's still good. So now I have 900 points, and that's next step. I have to make size, because all of this is pixels or something. Yeah, you know, you cannot cut that. So if you make it 12 inches wide, or you can enter in millimeters. Program is smart enough. If you enter big number like 300 millimeters, it will do the same, you know. So this is after that I can remove some polygons or points that algorithm couldn't figure out I don't need. So you read at the top of the screen, right upper corner, to remove point, you click click here and remove some points. Or if you press your shift button, it will remove whole polygon. I don't need this, I don't need this, I don't need this, but I will remove this, and then you go and remove points you don't need one by one. Usually there you don't need to remove a lot of points depending on your bitmap or whatever. You can so I said you can click here or shift click to remove polygon. That's if you are in preview mode, but you can watch it like this: remove here or remove a polyline like this. I'll do undo because I'll need this one. You can remove point. I'm saying you can move point. Let's say like this, but I don't need this. I'll bring it back. You can move a start point, but you have to turn red square on. So here is start point for this polygon. I want it to be here, and it's here now. This is start point. Light blue lines are inside cut, and blue line is outside cut. You can preview it here, or you can move lead in, like here lead in. You want to make bigger, and this is lead in. Also, you don't need offset, and here if you click it will offset it. And then when you are sure it's okay, click confirm. But in more cases you don't need it because you're cutting art files, and for plasma cutting it's all, in 90% cases you don't need offset. But you will not to calculate lead in always. It will always choose a good point for lead in. And if you see this now, if I said click path here, I see path machine is cutting. It will start here, go here, 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 but it's not optimal now because I didn't press optimize path. Optimize path, it's better. It will cut in less time. You can, outside polyline is always blue, but you can always change it. And you don't need to change it because program is smart in 99.99 cases that outside polyline is dark blue, so it will be cut at the end. It will be cut at the end. I don't need to watch at the path now. I don't need red square. Here I turn points or turn off. Let's say now I want to insert font here, and we didn't have any font yet, so I click at the upper left corner and I say here Frank Zappa. I choose font, and I say generate. Now it's generated. After that, I'll see a little rectangle on the screen, and it's used like cutting tools. Using shift and arrow, I can always change side bigger, but for me this one is good. If I click here, it will cut here, 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 here. So this is making stencil cut. That's because I turn on difference cut him. I can click union, and it will also I can make change same. It will union like this, but I will undo this. I'll keep that. Those are letters, but you need a frame for them. And here is frame around. It's rectangular in the beginning, and here I make it bigger or smaller, so it's all the way around this letter. Then I can use some like perspective, like bend in the middle. I can bend on cylinder. I can middle bend. I can circle it up or down. Here I make a rotation. No, it's end. I have to go back the other way now. Click, yeah, and when I'm ready, I go too much. Yeah, when I'm ready, then I say insert, and it's inserted in here, so it's red. And you see, you can always move it, scale down, scale up, because this one is red. Red arrows at the upper right corner will move that one, and a blue one will move drawing, and yellow one will move if something is selected. But this one is big, so I can scale it 0.9, 0.999, and then I move it here. I can always change what is distance travel when I press, but now I don't need it. And I want to make this blue, and first I have to clean little bit red one. Forget that. Clean, press couple times. Yeah, and now it's better. Maybe too much, okay, but that's fine. And now I want to combine those two, so I have lettering over. That is, I press union, and you see now you have just one red one disappeared. If I preview it here, it's like this. That's lettering, and you see we reduce whole drawing to 3%, and there is 900 points in here. So now I can save it as DXF, or save it to G code. Generate G code and save G code. Here are some parameters that you change before you generate G code. Is it metric unit, or how is program ending, how is plasma on, how is off, using G28 or G31, what is Z safe, feed for going up, Z axis, feed for going down. Here is Z target and Z correction. If you have mechanical switch before you start your torch height control, what is pierce height, dwell time, and you can save that parameter for next time, because if you always using 28 on your machine, you save it. If you, and you can use metric or imperial data. So, but when you generate G code, you can cut it. here if you press save as DXF, there is no any dialog to asking for name. It will same in same folder where is bitmap file, so you can find it there. Just will change extension to DXF, and that is it for this video.